To create our word art, we're going to type wordart.com/create. Then you're going to write the words of the vocabulary. Okay. Then you choose the type of the shape. Here you have a lot of categories. And you're going to choose the animals categories because we are in the unit 1 talking about animals. I want to choose the cat and the dog, and I visualize. If you notice here, I don't have the picture, so I click on the green circle, I reset, okay, and visualize again. I want to choose another picture. And you have to reset. And then visualize again. In the font, you're going to change the kind of letter. I want to use bubblegum sounds. You visualize, so you want to change it or no. And layout, you're going to use, as you prefer, horizontal, vertical, or crossing form. Then the style, if you want more color or less color in the words. And also you can change the background image, more color or less color. Then you download as a standard JPG. You hold down until you can save the picture. And now you have it in your photographs.